When it comes to next-generation freighter aircraft, the Boeing 777-8F and Airbus A350F are two of the most advanced options available. Both are designed to meet the growing demand for air freight, but each has unique features that cater to different operational needs. In this comparison, we'll break down the key differences between the Boeing 777-8F and Airbus A350F to help you decide which freighter is the best fit for your cargo operations. The Boeing 777-8F and measures 232 feet, 70.87 meters in length, while the Airbus A350F is slightly shorter at 232.2 feet, 70.8 meters. When it comes to maximum takeoff weight, the Boeing 777-8F is heavier at 805,000 pounds, 365.1 tons, while the Airbus A350F has a maximum takeoff weight of 703,000 pounds, 319 tons, making it lighter. This weight difference plays a significant role in the aircraft's fuel consumption and overall efficiency. The Boeing 777-8F features advanced aerodynamics and GE9X engines that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. In comparison, the A350F benefits from lightweight composite materials and advanced fly-by-wire systems, boosting fuel efficiency and operational flexibility. In terms of cargo handling, the Boeing 777X-8F offers a spacious hold capable of accommodating 25 standard pallets, making it ideal for large and bulky cargo. The A350F, however, has the advantage of the largest main deck cargo door in the industry, enabling quicker loading and unloading of cargo. This, combined with its seamless integration into airline fleets, makes the A350F an excellent choice for operators seeking enhanced efficiency. The Boeing 777-8F has a maximum payload capacity of 247,500 pounds, 112.3 tons, providing significant capacity for heavy freight. The Airbus A350F, on the other hand, can carry 111 tons, 245,000 pounds, which is slightly lower but still highly competitive in the large freighter category. In terms of fuel capacity, the Boeing 777-8F features a larger tank with 52,136 US gallons, while the A350F has a fuel capacity of 42,000 US gallons. While the Boeing 777-8F holds more fuel, the A350F's lightweight composite structure contributes to greater overall efficiency. For engine power, Boeing 777-8F is equipped with General Electric GE9 X105B1A engines, each producing a thrust of 489 kN, ensuring strong performance for heavy freighting. In comparison, the A350F is powered by Rolls-Royce Trent XWB-97 engines, which deliver a thrust of 431.5 kN per engine, while the A350F's engines offer slightly less raw power. They are highly efficient. Regarding range, the Boeing 777-8F can travel up to 4,410 nautical miles, 8,170 kilometers. while the A350F offers a slightly longer range of 4,700 nautical miles, 8,700 kilometers, making the A350F ideal for longer routes and offering better flexibility for global operations. Boeing 777-8F is more expensive, but offers higher payload capacity and powerful engines, making it ideal for heavy cargo and long-haul routes. On the other hand, the A350F is more fuel-efficient and cost-effective, providing a great balance of modern technology and lower operating costs. Airbus has introduced the world's largest main deck cargo door, making cargo loading and unloading faster and more efficient. This feature allows the A350F to handle oversized freight with ease, improving operations for cargo airlines. Meanwhile, the Boeing 777-8F comes with folding wingtips, a smart design that helps it fit within existing airport taxiways and gates. Despite having a larger wingspan that classifies it under ICAO Aerodrome Code 4F, the folding wingtips allow it to operate as a Code 4E aircraft when on the ground, ensuring seamless airport compatibility. Choosing between the Boeing 777-8F and the Airbus A350F comes down to your specific operational needs. If maximizing payload capacity and handling ultra-long-haul routes are your priorities, the Boeing 777-8F is the better fit, offering larger payloads and powerful engines for heavy, long-distance cargo transport. However, if you want to cut operating costs, improve fuel efficiency, and benefit from modern cargo handling flexibility, the Airbus A350F stands out with its lightweight structure and advanced systems, offering great value for sustainable and efficient operations. Both aircraft represent the future of air freight, providing advantages over older models like the 747-8F and 777F, making them strong contenders whether you're running a global fleet or regional operations. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about both freighters in the comments section. Hey there! Are you pursuing aviation studies and struggling with aviation subjects? Don't worry. At Jetline Marvel, we bring over 10 years of experience in the aviation industry. We've crafted an amazing textbook, packed with valuable content tailored to your graduation requirements and aligned with Bangalore University's curriculum. Check out our book on Amazon and order your copy today.